Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to teach you how to set rapid rivets and double cap rivets. They are pretty much the same thing, except rapid rivets is kind of flat on one side and double cap rivets is kind of domed where it looks like the top as well. General rule is if it has skin on skin contact, the double cap rivet is a better choice. I like the rapid rivets better because you can set it right on the table without having to have a setter. So here we go. We're going to do the rapid rivet first. Put your cap on it. There you go. Looks like that. And then the double cap rivet, you have to put it in this little divot in the anvil. So here we go. There you go. That's it. Have a good one.